Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add products to your WooCommerce Astra site. Okay, so let's get started by heading over to our dashboard and hovering on our left sidebar on Products and click on Add New. Okay, and let's add a tablet to our web shop. Let's call it the QG 79 12-inch tablet. Okay. And here we have our ad description, of course, which we can add here and insert our placeholder text. And now we can add media to it. We can add images here, but in order to have the product image, we'll have to set our product image here and add other images to our gallery. Let's start off by setting the main image. All right. And if you just wanted one image for your product, you could end here. But if you wanted more images, we can click, oh, not this one. This, and this, and these will be in our gallery. And now we can add a price. So I listed a cell phone, a smartphone on here for $600, so I think it's only fair if we list it for $800, or let's go ahead and say $799. And inventory, we can put it as 02 as our SKU. And we can set our stock status, whether it's in stock, out of stock, or on back order. And we can limit our purchases to one item only. And we can put here the weight, 40 by 60 by 80, right? And we can link other products here if we wanted to. Attributes, now this is, let's say, red, steel, Dunstan, black. All right, and then there's other options here that we don't really need to get into. So for the short description, we can just copy this and insert it here. Now we can put it here as and we can now customize settings for containers and stuff. This is for the page itself, but if we leave it to customizer setting, this means global settings. So whatever we have as default on our website, we can have it here. But if you had a special product like a one-time only or a special deal, you can disable the headers here to make it more streamlined for your customers to buy. And we can now put it under categories, smartphones, right? Okay, and we can add that as the other category, right? Electronics. Okay. Now, once we're happy with that, we can go ahead and click on Preview. Okay, so this is how it will appear on our site. Now, once we're happy with that, we can go ahead and publish this product immediately. And we can update it if you wanted to, but once that's done, we can head over to our shop. And we can see our QG79 12-inch tablet for sale here. And we now have our price and our arrows for the next product to add it to the cart, so on and so forth, right? And it automatically puts in all of the description, additional information, reviews, which we can enable or disable as well. Okay, So let's try to add it to our cart. And it works. It should work. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, commenting, and subscribing to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.